Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore something that's fundamentally changing our economic world: how artificial intelligence is transforming global capitalism. This isn't just about robots and automation. It's about a complete reimagining of how our economy works, how wealth is created, and who benefits from it. Let me start with a number that might shock you. According to the World Bank, AI-powered automation could add $15 trillion to the global economy by 2030. That's more than the entire economy of China today. But here's the catch. The same report suggests that 50% of traditional business models could become obsolete. This isn't just evolution, it's a revolution in how our economic system works. Think about the companies that dominate our economy today. Just 3 companies, Google, Amazon, and Microsoft, control 83% of AI cloud computing. In social media, Meta, TikTok, and YouTube control 75% of the market. In chip production, Nvidia, Intel, and AMD control 90%. This isn't just market success. It's market concentration on a scale we've never seen before. Let's take Amazon as an example. Through its AI-driven logistics and recommendation systems, Amazon now controls nearly 40% of global online sales. Think about that. A single company controls almost half of all online shopping. Their AI systems optimize everything from warehouse operations to delivery routes to what products you see when you shop. Traditional retailers simply can't compete with this level of optimization. By 2025, it's projected that AI-driven firms will control 50% of global economic value. By 2030, that number rises to 65% of all financial transactions being influenced by AI algorithms. By 2035, 80% of Fortune 500 companies will have AI at the core of their strategy. This isn't just about technology adoption. It's about fundamental market transformation. But what does this mean for workers? Well, the impact varies dramatically depending on your skill level. For high-skill workers who can work with AI, the future looks bright. Demand for AI professionals is soaring. For middle-skill workers who perform routine tasks, the challenge is staying relevant as AI automates their work. And for low-skill workers, the threat of displacement is very real. Take the financial sector as an example. Investment banks have reduced their human analysts by 40% because AI-powered financial models can predict market trends more accurately and faster than humans ever could. This isn't just job displacement, it's a fundamental shift in how work gets done. The changes in financial markets are particularly fascinating. Today, 60% of stock trades are executed by AI. By 2027, that's expected to rise to 80% of all financial decisions being made by AI-powered algorithms. By 2035, we might see AI-driven decentralized finance, DeFi, largely replace traditional banking models. Think about what this means. Algorithms are making decisions in milliseconds that affect global markets. AI-powered hedge funds are consistently outperforming human investors by 25% annually. This isn't just automation. It's a fundamental shift in how financial markets operate. The global balance of economic power is shifting too. China is investing $150 billion annually in AI infrastructure, aiming for 26% AI-driven GDP growth. The United States is looking at 15% growth through private sector innovation. The European Union is focusing on regulatory leadership and sustainable AI development. India is pursuing 12% growth through AI for economic inclusion. This shift in economic power isn't just about numbers. It's about the future of global influence. The nations that master AI capitalism will likely become the economic superpowers of tomorrow. China's massive investment in AI manufacturing, smart cities, and facial recognition technology is a clear bid for global economic leadership. But all this transformation raises serious ethical questions. How do we prevent excessive wealth concentration? How do we protect workers displaced by AI? How do we ensure fair competition when AI tends to create winner-take-all markets? The European Union is leading the way in addressing these challenges with strict AI regulations aimed at ensuring fair competition, protecting consumer data, and preventing market manipulation. They're proposing new frameworks for AI wealth redistribution, anti-monopoly laws specifically designed for AI companies, and labor protection acts focused on AI displacement. Looking ahead, what does this mean for the future of capitalism? First, we're likely to see even more market concentration. AI creates powerful network effects. The more data a company has, the better its AI becomes, the more customers it attracts, creating a cycle that's hard to break. Second, the nature of work will continue to transform. We'll likely see more AI-human collaboration, more flexible work arrangements, and a greater emphasis on continuous learning and adaptation. The traditional employment model might become the exception rather than the rule. Third, financial markets will become even more algorithm-driven. The speed and complexity of AI-driven trading will make human intervention increasingly rare. This could make markets more efficient, but also more volatile and harder to regulate. Fourth, we'll likely see new forms of economic organization emerge. Decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, powered by AI might become more common. These could create new ways of organizing economic activity outside traditional corporate structures. The key challenge for policymakers will be balancing innovation with fairness. How do we harness the tremendous potential of AI capitalism while ensuring its benefits are widely shared? Several approaches are being considered. First, AI wealth redistribution taxes. The idea is to capture some of the enormous wealth created by AI and use it to benefit society more broadly. This could fund everything from worker retraining programs to universal basic income. Second, AI anti-monopoly laws. Traditional antitrust regulations weren't designed for digital platforms and AI-driven networks. We need new frameworks that understand how AI creates market power. Third, AI labor protection acts. As AI displaces more workers, we need strong programs to help people transition to new roles and ensure they're not left behind. Fourth, global AI ethics councils. As AI becomes more central to the economy, we need international frameworks to ensure it's developed and deployed ethically. The role of education will be crucial. We need massive investments in AI literacy and training. This isn't just about creating more programmers. It's about helping everyone understand how to work alongside AI systems. International cooperation will also be essential. AI capitalism doesn't respect national boundaries. We need global frameworks for managing its impact and ensuring fair competition. The environmental impact of AI capitalism can't be ignored either. AI systems require enormous computing power and energy. We need to ensure that the AI economy is environmentally sustainable. Looking at specific sectors, we can expect dramatic changes. In manufacturing, AI-driven automation will continue to transform production. Factories will become more automated, but they'll also become more flexible and responsive to consumer demand. In services, AI will enable new levels of personalization. From healthcare to education to financial services, AI will help tailor services to individual needs and preferences. In retail, the trend toward AI-driven e-commerce will likely accelerate. Physical stores won't disappear, but they'll be transformed by AI and automation. In transportation, autonomous vehicles and AI-optimized logistics will reshape how goods and people move around the globe. The impact on small businesses will be particularly important to manage. While AI tools are becoming more accessible, small businesses often lack the resources to fully leverage them. We need policies to help small businesses compete in an AI-driven economy. The role of cities might also change. As AI enables more remote work and automated services, we might see new patterns of urban development and economic activity. Innovation itself might change. AI could help accelerate the pace of innovation by automating research and development. This could lead to faster technological progress, but might also concentrate innovation in fewer hands. The nature of competition will likely evolve. Instead of competing on price or quality alone, companies might increasingly compete on their ability to leverage AI and data effectively. Consumer behavior will continue to be shaped by AI. From personalized recommendations to automated purchasing, AI will influence how we consume goods and services. The banking sector will face particular challenges. As AI-driven fintech and decentralized finance grow, traditional banks will need to adapt or risk becoming obsolete. Global trade patterns might shift as AI enables new forms of production and distribution. Countries' competitive advantages might increasingly depend on their AI capabilities, rather than traditional factors like labor costs. The concept of value itself might need to be reconsidered. In an AI-driven economy, data might become more valuable than traditional assets like factories or real estate. Privacy and data rights will become increasingly important economic issues. As AI systems rely on data, control over data could become a key source of economic power. The role of government in the economy might need to evolve. Beyond regulation, governments might need to become more active in ensuring fair access to AI technologies and preventing excessive concentration of power. As we wrap up, it's clear that AI isn't just another technology changing capitalism. It's fundamentally reshaping how our economic system works. The opportunities are enormous, but so are the challenges. The key will be ensuring that this new form of capitalism works for everyone, not just a select few. This means thinking carefully about regulation, education, worker protection, and fair competition. Thank you for your attention. Remember, we're living through one of the most significant economic transformations in history. Understanding these changes is crucial for anyone who wants to thrive in the AI-driven economy of tomorrow.